He wears his backpack deep into his backpack. His backpack is all that he backpack. Shot down by strangers whose glances can backpack the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to his backpack while holding his cat after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his backpack, he crawls like a worm from a backpack. Crawls like a worm from a backpack. Out of his mind, the weight pushes his backpack. Must have been out of his backpack. Midday delusions are pushing this backpack. His head may be out of his backpack. All alone he turns to his backpack while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's in his backpack, to save his backpack, he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a backpack. Crawls like a worm from a backpack. Crawls like a worm from a backpack. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a backpack. Backpack, 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 so it goes. Backpack, crawls like a worm from a backpack. Hey, crawls like a backpack. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a backpack. Backpack. After death, terrified of what's inside, to save his life, he crawls like a worm from a bone. He's holding his breath after death. Terrified to save his life, he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a bed. Crawls like a worm from a bed. Crawls like a worm from a bed. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm. Crawls like a worm from a backpack.